Hi, thank you so much for joining me again. Today I came back to Ganseok used car trading mall. I'm going to review one of the most wonderful with a very good fuel efficiency product from Kia company. This is nothing except a K3 2015. This car has been driven for 163,473 kilometers just, but the car is in a very good condition. It is completely accident free. This car has some basic options. This is a very good option for those who want to drive inside the Korea or for those who wants to export such a cars. The K3 2015 comes with a 1.6 liter engine which has a very good fuel efficiency. So if anybody is interested to drive this car inside the city, it's for you. Let's walk throughout the exteriors and interiors of this car to provide you more information and give you more details about the options and the overall condition of this cars. Let's go. As you can see, friends, this car comes with a very beautiful silver color. It has also very beautiful natural wheels, and the tires have enough treads so you don't need to replace them. K3. Let's show you the trunk. Yes, as you can see, this car has a very spacious trunk. You are seeing the car from different angles. Let's go to show you inside the car. As you can see, it comes with leather seats. The seats are very clean without any kind of scratches. You are seeing the back seats. As you can see, back seats are also very clean without any scratches. Okay friends, I just got inside the car. As you can see, this car has some basic options like heated seats, folding rear mirror, high pass, and also black box. There are some options which are considered on the steering. You can answer your phones, you can control the volume, and also you can change the mood. The car also has heated steering, which is very good for cold weather in the winter. Let's start the car. Yeah, the engine sound is very normal. It has a navigation. Let's put it in R. You can see that it has a very transparent rear camera. Yeah, I put it in R. There is no shock. Let's put it in on D. It's also good. Okay friends, let's do a very short test drive. As you can see, the acceleration is very powerful and the steering is very smooth. Brake system works very well. Totally, this car is in a very good condition. I'm sure that you can enjoy a lot if you drive this car. Thank you so much for watching. We did a very short test drive. The acceleration is very powerful, the steering is very smooth, and the brake system works very well. Totally, this car is in a very good condition. I strongly recommend this car for those who want to drive inside the city or those who want to export it out to their countries. This car has a very good fuel efficiency considering the 1.6 liter. Car is one of the cheapest among the K3 2015. The price for this car is only 4.7 million. It's very cheap. So if you are interested to have this car, please feel free to contact us. Thank you very much for watching.